Stop scrolling and look at that overpriced particle board dresser in your cart. You know the one. It costs $600. It's made of sawdust, and it'll probably break the next time you move. You are literally throwing money away on furniture that doesn't last. But what if I told you that professional-grade solid wood furniture is sitting in a house 5 miles away from you for a fraction of the cost? In this video, we're cracking the code on how to score high-end pieces at estate sales without getting overwhelmed. Welcome back to Smart Life, where we help you live better for less. First, you need to find the gold. Download the estatesales.net app right now. It is the industry standard. Most sales post photos on Wednesday or Thursday for a Friday start. Scour those photos for dovetail joints on drawers. That's the zigzag pattern on the side of a drawer. If you see that, it's solid wood and high quality. If you see staples or glue, keep scrolling. Second, timing is your best friend or your worst enemy. If you want the statement piece, like a mid-century modern credenza, show up an hour before they open on day one. You'll have to wait in line, but the best stuff goes in the first 20 minutes. However, if you're on a budget, go on the final day. Most sales do 50% off everything on Sunday. That's when you get the steals. Third, look past the grime. Estate sales can be dusty and a little crowded. Bring a flashlight and a tape measure. Check for good bones. A scratch on a dining table is an easy fix with a $10 wood stainer. A broken leg? Not so much. Smell the furniture too. Musty odors are hard to get out of fabric, so stick to hard goods if you aren't ready for a deep clean. Fourth, bring your own muscle. Most estate companies will not help you carry a heavy sofa to your car. They are there to sell, not to lift. Have a friend on standby with a truck or use an app like Lug. If you can't take it home that day, you might lose it. Here is a pro bonus tip most people miss. Look in the junk drawers in the garage. High-end kitchen brands like All Clad or Le Creuset often get tossed into boxes and priced for $5 because the organizers are focused on the big furniture. You can easily find a $100 pan for the price of a latte. Stop overpaying for furniture that ends up in a landfill. Hit the like button if you're ready to start your hunt. Subscribe to Smart Life for more ways to beat the system. Comment below with the best deal you've ever found. I'll see you at the next sale.